Today, I'm going to show you how to create an online quiz for your team to check the level of understanding. It's super easy. We will combine Google Forms and Gemini. If you have materials in Google Slides, you can turn them into a quiz instantly. Make sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. Here's a sample deck I made in Google Slides. It covers Google Workspace and AI basics. After a training session, it's better to have a quiz, right? So we need to check the understanding. I know many of you create tests manually, but the killer tip today is how to use AI to generate the whole test automatically. It's like magic. Let's look at the screen. First, open Google Forms. When you start a blank form, the Gemini panel will appear. Type the @ symbol and enter the title of your slides. Once the file appears, click it. Now this is the important part. Give Gemini this prompt. Create a 30-question quiz based on this material. At the end, add a satisfaction survey. Now look at this. In about a minute, the Google form is ready. It's amazing, isn't it? All you have to do is check the content, click publish, and share the link. That's it. What do you think of this new feature, Nato?
I feel this is quite simple function, but it's really useful.
Yeah.
I was also about to compare. NotebookLM also has a similar function. What's the difference?
Okay, so I show you. I prepared the same materials into the NotebookLM. The quiz feature is on the NotebookLM. This is the same feature. So I click this. Most different part is in NotebookLM, you cannot collect the answer of the audience or employee. This is the most different part.
I see. So if we do this in Google Forms, eventually we can make a form to the answer if they really understood. However, in NotebookLM, we can create a quiz, but we don't know how they'll answer and how much they understood.
Exactly. For example, this is a training quiz made from NotebookLM. Actually, it's great. I can share this link with others, but I cannot correct the answer or data. So this is a big difference.
So for example, we can use the material we created in Forms if we hire new staff and we'd like to know how much they understood the contents, or for sales training and so much more things in our
How was that? This makes creating quizzes effortless. You might know NotebookLM, it can't collect responses in spreadsheets. With Google Forms, you can gather all the data in Google Sheets. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.